Hey everyone! So you must be wondering why there's earbuds in my ears, and that's because we're going to listen to some sounds, especially two types of sounds. The first sound is that annoying kind of sound that really distracts you when you're trying to really focus on something. This is one that kind of makes your blood boil. Or the other type of sound that makes your body give off a negative emotional reaction, which makes your body cringe, or you get those little goosebumps that run all across your body. So let's listen to some of these sounds now. Now the first one we're going to listen to is one that bothers me the most. It's one that makes me cringe all the time. Now this is basically a pencil, you know, the type that which you sharpen your pencil with, and it's just writing on paper. It gets super worse when it's a really dull pencil, which makes no sense to me because when I was a kid I used to use pencil crayons all the time to color, but then now I can't stand the sound of it for some reason. Ah! Oh, okay, yeah, that was hard for me. And it sucks too because I play board games with my friends, and all of those board games, you know, they come with those little pencils, and I just have to be like, nope, get those pencils out of here, bring in the mechanical pencils or pens. So the next one we're gonna listen to is a very common one, and you probably know what it is already. It is nails on the chalkboard. I think listening to this one is not gonna bug me too much because I won't actually be able to see it, so that makes it less bad for me. And I think it's not only the sound of it, but the thought of someone's nails going into the chalkboard and your nails being bent back. Ah! Let's listen to it. Okay, yeah, like I said, it wasn't too bad because I wasn't able to actually see it, and it also kind of sounded like, in my mind, a zipper, so it didn't really affect me too badly. The next one we have, I know a lot of people have this one, and one of my friends has it too, but it's basically some sort of utensil like a fork or knife against a dinner plate, scratching against it, or against your teeth. Yeah, that's a good one. Didn't really affect me that. Okay, so the next one we're gonna listen to is chewing on ice. I know this will not affect me because I chew ice all the time, or I hear other people chewing ice and it doesn't affect me, but let's just listen to it. Yeah, I can kind of understand this one, just the grinding of the ice. Now for this one, I don't really know how many people are affected by this one. I know one of my close friends gets affected by it, but basically it's someone puckering their lips for quite a while. Yeah. So for this one, it didn't really affect me at all. I could kind of understand it because a lot of these sounds affect us because of the frequency it's able to hit. And that one also sounds like a common one that people have, which is someone rubbing a balloon. Yeah, that one did not affect me at all, but it does sound like styrofoam rubbing against each other, which I know is also a common one. Oh, yeah, I got it. Yeah, that affects me a little bit, yeah. It's very similar to the pencil noise. Now, this one I didn't know was a thing, but apparently a lot of people have this one, which is cotton balls being ripped apart. I think I could kind of understand this one a bit. Alright, now let's do a favorite one that a lot of people also have, which is the dentist drill. And I know this affects me slightly when I'm at the dentist. Oh yeah, it's that sound. Oh, you can like feel it a bit. Yeah, I got a little, ooh. Okay, now let's switch it from the cringy ones to the really annoying ones. So this one is the water dripping, which is sort of related to a Chinese water torture, which they would grab their prisoners or victims and just have water drip on their forehead, which would make them go insane. Yeah, It's not bad now, but I feel like if this went on for 10 minutes, yeah, I would be pissed. Now this one I'm guilty of is because I don't really notice when I'm doing it. When I eat food or, you know, some sort of soup, I slurp it, which a lot of people are not a fan of, mainly because it's probably really rude and that would be very annoying. Sounds good. Makes me kind of a little thirsty. Okay, now we got one that is also a popular, annoying one that kind of makes you sick, hearing people vomit. And I know this would get to me, this will make me want to vomit when I hear other people vomit, especially when you see it and you hear it, and if you're actually there smelling it. So let's listen to that. Oh, it's the wet one. Oh yeah, that's enough of that one. Oh, I could feel it a little bit. Oh, ooh, vomiting. Another popular one, microphone feedback. When you're at some sort of concert or assembly or some sort of speaking event, the person goes up to the microphone and it gives off that feedback noise. Yeah. You know, everyone's just like, ugh. If you are a parent, this is the baby crying. I'm a little annoyed right now. Oh yeah, this is an annoying baby. Yeah, I don't think that'll be too bad in like a minute or so, but anything longer than that, that'll be very annoying. So this one I don't really mind too much because I'm used to it now. But basically it's hearing your own voice or watching a video of yourself because you're not used to hearing basically your voice. You think it sounds like really cringy or really ugly. But I will listen to one of my very first videos.
Hey everyone, so have you ever noticed that your normal friends are pretty nice to you and all, but your close friends?
Yeah, I don't mind it too much. It's still a little cringy because I'm talking, it seems like I'm whispering or something. I don't mind it too much because I think I'm used to it now. Ooh, I am not gonna like listening to this one with my earphones. This is the one where a fly or some sort of mosquito gets really close to your ear. Okay, let's do this. Oh yeah, that buzzing sound just... I do not like that one. It makes me really itchy right away. And I hate it when I'm at home and you hear it and then, you know, you try to swat it away, but knowing it still exists somewhere in your room and you know it's gonna do it again. This one, which is really annoying, there's this girl that I used to date. Her alarm on her phone somehow would get me like super angry because one, she was like a sound sleeper, so she wouldn't be able to hear it. Of course, I'd wake up to it right away and it's just like, and I swear, you know, a blood vessel would just keep on growing for every second. Oh yeah, this is annoying. It's not too bad right now because I'm awake, but you know, when it just wakes you up and it just keeps going, and picture this for like a minute or two. Yep, anyways, I hope you enjoy listening to these annoying, cringy sounds with me. If you have one, let me know in the comments below, and don't say listening to me because haha, you're funny. Anyways, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and I'm out.